Our topic for today is about the real numbers on the number line. We can place any real number on a number line. Here is a number line. Usually, the starting point of a number line is 0. This is the origin of a number line. And we mark off each either side from 0, either side of 0, equal intervals, in which each interval represents a unit. Have here 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, and so on. So from 1 to the positive infinity to the right are the natural counting numbers, while from 0 to the positive infinity to the right are the whole numbers, natural or counting number, and the natural or counting numbers and the whole numbers just differ in 1 and 0. We count things from 1, but we measure things from 0. Then a number far away from 0 to the right has a bigger value, while a number far away from 0 to the left has a lesser value. So negative 3 is less than negative 2. And all of 0 and all of the positive numbers to the right and all of the negative numbers to the left are integers. Integers cannot have a point or a decimal or a fraction or under a radical sign that cannot be simplified into a whole number. And then each interval, we can subdivide them into small intervals in which lies the fraction and decimals, just like 1/4 in decimal is equals to 0.25 or 1/5. 1/5 fraction can be expressed in decimals into 0.2 or 1/3. 1/3 is a fraction that can be expressed in decimals as 0.3333, repeating and non-terminating decimals. To indicate that this is that 0.3 or 3 here is repeating, so place a bar above 3. And sometimes it's hard, but irrational, these are fractions, decimals, the integers, the whole numbers, and the natural counting numbers are under the rational numbers. Rational numbers can be expressed as quotient of two integers. We sometimes it's hard to place irrational numbers on the number line since they are non-terminating and non-repeating decimals. Uh, they cannot be expressed as a quotient or a ratio of two integers. So, but we can place them on the number line on an approximate way. So for pi is approximately between 3 and 4 on the number line, in which pi is equals to 3.1415926 approximately. Also, the square root of 2 is approximately between 1 and 2. We cannot place them exactly on the number line, but we can use just approximate way on the number line.